True wealth is not just about money, possessions, or the flashy things we see around us. It's about the energy you emit, the mindset you cultivate, and the authenticity with which you carry yourself. Today, I'll reveal how you can build an image of true class and sophistication without relying on superficial appearances. If you're ready to transform your image and attract true wealth, stay with me until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to True Prosperity Secrets for more insights on building genuine success. The foundation of class, mindset, and inner wealth. True class begins within. It starts with a mindset of abundance and self-worth. When you know your value, there's no need to seek validation from others. Wealthy individuals, whether financially or in terms of character, don't need to impress. They simply are. Wealthy mindset. A mindset rooted in abundance doesn't chase after material things. It creates value naturally. Self-awareness. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and unique qualities is the first step toward cultivating true class. How behavior reflects wealth and class. Your behavior is a mirror of your inner wealth. True class is not about showing off or making a grand entrance. It's in the way you treat others and how you carry yourself in every situation. Authentic communication. Wealthy individuals don't talk to hear themselves speak. They listen carefully, understand, and respond with intention. Calm under pressure. In moments of stress, those with true wealth remain composed, showing others they are grounded and in control. Integrity. Keeping your word and acting with integrity speaks louder than any flashy display ever could. Internal style reflected. Externally. True sophistication isn't about wearing expensive brands or flashy labels. It's about choosing what aligns with your inner sense of style. When your internal foundation is strong, your outward appearance naturally mirrors that. Simplicity with purpose. Wealth is often understated. It's not about being showy, but rather choosing quality over quantity. Attention to details. Simple. Things like good posture, a well-fitted suit, or a subtle fragrance. These details reflect a confident and refined image. Building a true image of class isn't about external wealth or appearances. It's about aligning your inner world with your actions, thoughts, and energy. When you do this, true prosperity follows naturally, because class isn't something you try to look like. It's something you become. So remember, the wealthiest people aren't just the ones with the most money. They are the ones with the most authentic, grounded, and powerful presence, ready to build a true, prosperous life. From within, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.